Ever found yourself feeling mentally foggy or distracted? Welcome to the world of brain fog. It's this strange, nebulous state where you're not quite yourself. You're forgetful, easily confused, and the world seems to be moving a beat too fast for your fuzzy mind to keep up with. Brain fog is a term used to describe feelings of mental confusion or lack of mental clarity. It's like your thoughts are trapped in a thick, hazy mist, and it's hard for you to concentrate, remember things, or make decisions. You know those moments when you walk into a room and can't remember why you're there? Or when you're in the middle of a conversation and suddenly, you lose track of what you were talking about? That's brain fog. Now, it's important to understand that brain fog is not a medical condition in itself, but rather a symptom of other possible conditions. It can be a sign of things like sleep deprivation, stress, or even nutritional deficiencies. But here's the kicker. Everyone experiences brain fog from time to time. Yes, you heard it right. It's a common occurrence, especially in this fast-paced, high-stress world we live in. However, the frequency and severity of brain fog can vary greatly from person to person. For some, it's just an occasional nuisance, like a passing cloud on a sunny day. For others, it's a constant thick fog that makes it hard to navigate through their day-to-day life. So the question is, should we just accept brain fog as a part of life? Absolutely not. If left unchecked, brain fog can take a serious toll on our productivity, our relationships, and most importantly, our overall quality of life. That's why it's crucial not to ignore these episodes of mental haziness. It's not just about snapping out of it or getting your act together. It's about understanding the underlying causes and taking active steps to clear the fog and reclaim your mental clarity. So, what are the best ways to prevent this brain fog? Stay tuned to find out. First and foremost, never underestimate the power of sleep. Sleep is not just a passive state where our bodies rest, it's a vital process during which our brains are hard at work. You see, when we're asleep, our brains go through a self-cleaning process, removing toxins and waste products that have accumulated throughout the day. This process is crucial for maintaining brain health and clarity. When we consistently miss out on the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep, our brains don't get the chance to fully cleanse themselves. This can lead to a buildup of toxins, and the result is what we often describe as brain fog. This foggy state can manifest as difficulty concentrating, memory problems, and a decrease in cognitive abilities. So, how can we ensure that we're giving our brains the rest they need? First, establish a regular sleep schedule and stick to it. Our bodies thrive on routine, and by going to bed and waking up at the same times each day, we can help regulate our internal body clocks, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Secondly, create a sleep-friendly environment. This could mean dimming the lights in your room, investing in a comfortable mattress, or using a white noise machine to drown out any disruptive sounds. The goal is to make your sleep environment as peaceful and conducive to rest as possible. Lastly, be mindful of your caffeine intake, especially close to bedtime. Caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Try to avoid caffeine in the late afternoon and evening, and opt for calming herbal teas or warm milk instead. In essence, sleep is a powerful tool that we can harness to help prevent brain fog. It's not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. By prioritizing good sleep habits, we're not only setting ourselves up for a good night's rest, but also for a day filled with clarity and productivity. Remember, quality sleep is key for a clear mind. What you eat can directly affect your brain health. This statement rings true in every aspect of our lives. A balanced diet does more than just keeping our bodies in shape. It's a vital cog in the machine that fuels our brain, our powerhouse. Let's talk about brain fog. It's that feeling of confusion, forgetfulness, and lack of focus that we all experience sometimes. And guess what? Your diet plays a significant role in preventing it. Imagine your brain as a high-performance sports car. Just like such a vehicle, your brain needs the right kind of fuel to function optimally, and that fuel comes from the food we eat. Fruits and vegetables are the superheroes of brain-boosting food. They are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that protect the brain cells from damage. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are your brain's best friends. Berries, especially blueberries, are also excellent for brain health. Whole grains are another key player. They provide a steady release of energy, keeping your brain alert throughout the day. Foods like brown rice, oats, and whole grain bread are your go-to options here. Lean proteins such as fish, poultry, and legumes are essential for brain function. They contain amino acids, which are the building blocks of neurotransmitters, the brain's messaging system. And let's not forget healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and oily fish like salmon are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health, improving memory, and cognitive function. However, it's not just about what you should eat, but also what you should avoid. High sugar foods and processed foods can contribute to brain fog. They cause a spike in your blood sugar, leading to a crash that can leave you feeling foggy and sluggish. Just as you wouldn't put cheap fuel in a high-performance sports car, you shouldn't fuel your brain with low-quality food. A balanced diet is one of the most effective ways to prevent brain fog and improve overall brain health. So next time you're at the grocery store, remember to pick those brain-boosting foods. Feed your brain with the right foods, and it will thank you. Exercise and hydration, two simple yet powerful tools against brain fog. Ever wondered why a brisk walk or a jog around the park leaves you feeling refreshed and clear-headed? That's the magic of exercise at work, my friends. Regular physical activity has a profound impact on cognitive health. It's like a natural tune-up for your brain. When you exercise, your heart rate increases. This pumps more oxygen and nutrients to your brain, keeping it well-fed and in top shape. A well-oxygenated brain is a happy brain, less prone to the haziness and confusion we associate with brain fog. But that's not all. Exercise also stimulates the production of chemicals in the brain that enhance its cells' health, growth, and connections. This means better memory, sharper focus, and improved mental agility. In other words, regular exercise is like a supercharger for your brain, helping you navigate through the fog and into the clear skies of mental clarity. Now, let's shift gears and talk about hydration. The human brain is about 75% water. Quite a bit, isn't it? So it's no surprise that even mild dehydration can lead to brain fog, fatigue, and a decline in cognitive functions. Drinking sufficient water is crucial for maintaining the balance of salts and sugars in our bodies, which directly affects brain function. It also helps in flushing out toxins and delivering nutrients to the brain. So the next time you feel your concentration wavering, reach out for a glass of water. It might just be the clarity boost your brain needs. In conclusion, regular exercise and hydration are not just good for your body, they're essential for your brain too. They're the dynamic duo that keeps your brain sharp, alert, and fog-free. So, lace up those sneakers, keep a water bottle handy, and remember, a healthy brain is just a workout and a sip away. Stay active, stay hydrated, and keep that fog at bay. Last but not least, let's talk about stress and mental stimulation. Stress affects us in countless ways, and one of the most overlooked impacts is how it can lead to brain fog. Chronic, unmanaged stress puts a strain on your brain and can make it difficult to think clearly. This is where stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga come into play. These practices not only help alleviate stress but also increase your focus and clarity, pushing away the fog that tends to cloud our minds. Imagine meditation as a sort of mental housekeeping. It helps clear out the clutter, leaving your mind refreshed and ready to tackle any challenges thrown your way. Deep breathing, on the other hand, is like a cool breeze that pushes the fog away. It calms your mind and body, reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity. Yoga, a physical practice with mental benefits, promotes balance in the body and mind. It's a full package, reducing stress, improving focus, and promoting overall brain health. But just as a car needs fuel to run, your brain needs mental stimulation to stay sharp and prevent brain fog. Activities that challenge your mind, like reading, solving puzzles, or learning new skills, act like a workout for your brain. They keep it active and engaged, helping to maintain its sharpness and agility. Consider your brain as a muscle. Just as muscles need exercise to stay strong and healthy, your brain requires mental exercises to stay sharp. When you engage in mental stimulation activities, you're essentially lifting weights with your brain, keeping it fit and agile. Think of it this way: a well-exercised brain is like a well-lit room. Each mental activity you engage in is like flipping on a light switch. The more switches you flip, the brighter the room becomes, pushing away any signs of fog. So to wrap it up, if you want to prevent brain fog, you need to manage your stress and keep your mind active. Manage your stress, stimulate your mind, and say goodbye to brain fog. It's not just about keeping your brain healthy, it's about enhancing your life's quality and productivity.